Okay, everybody, here we go. Alondra and Carolina taking on a bet, $30 for each of them, if they will eat the entire chili pepper without spitting it out. Ava will inspect their mouths at the end, and then they can drink whatever they want and eat whatever they want to get the taste out. Are you ready, girls?
Yes.
We agree to this, that we did not put you up to this, that this is a bet, right?
Yes.
Alondra, yes? It's a bet, right? We're not making you do this.
Yeah.
All right. On your mark. Everybody look out. Get set. Go.
You go first. Okay.
Carolina starts first. Alondra the coward. Alondra's just watching. Alondra's going to not take the bet. I can see it already. Carolina, she's on it. Good job, the bear. Bear's going for 30 bucks. This might be the easiest $30 anybody ever made. Oh! Here we go. Come on, Bear. Oh, look at the face. It's so red. Are you allowed to do that while you're eating this? I don't think so.
Did it? Yeah.
We did it?
Oh my God.
The bear. Guess what? Now she's just...
You did.
Oh, and look at her mouth. Make sure she's not hiding it. Let me see. Ava, you gotta check her out. Oh.
Yeah. Open your mouth. Just open your mouth. Yeah. Easy. Just open your mouth. Yeah, like that. Give it a milk. The milk.
You'll just have to get more, that's all.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh my God.
Don't get sick. Don't get...
Bear, are you okay?
Alondra, leave her alone. I don't see you eating the pepper, Alondra. Swallow it. Just swallow it. Don't do that. It's not helping.
Okay, yeah.
Are you okay? Bear, are you okay?
Here, let mommy wipe your mouth off.
Yeah, just open your mouth and let the air go away.
Was it worth $30? Not sure yet, huh? Oh no, that's so rude. Carolina, don't do that. Keep it in your mouth.
Yeah. Go in the sink. There is the sink. There's one sink. There. Yeah.
Alright, Alondra? You ready? You not gonna do it?
Yeah.
You gonna do it?
Yeah.
Alright, Bear. Bear, okay, honey. Bear. It's not gonna. That's it.
I'm making music.
Well, stop. Go on.
Are you okay? Mommy?
Okay, Bear.
There, that's enough, honey.
I can't.
It's not helping you.
Look, this is coming out of her nose.
Give it napkin.
Bear, are you okay? No.
Yeah, she's fine. Origami. It's quite the origami.
Do you have any bread for her? Crackers without spice?
Yes.
Yeah, give it bread. Give it piece of bread.
Rice Krispie treat.
Oh, crispy treat. Here. There. Here. Okay, knock it out.
Quickly.
Yeah. You fine.
Ah! Bear.
You put it in hot water?
No. Why is she crying?
She's not crying, honey.
Oh, she isn't?
No.
Oh, that's good.
Alright, I think she's calming down here a little bit.
There.
Okay.
No more spice.
Alright.
me.
Bravo!
The bear.
Now go to change the $30.
And now, child number 2. $30.
Is it her fault? Just spicy alcohol. Yeah, the outfit is so spicy. Why
Come on, Ava. You ready? On your mark. Wait till Carolina's done.
Bam.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
I like her shivering.
And just keep chewing.
Grow up.
You good? Okay, keep going. Don't you might as well.
If you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it.
You're not gonna get the money though if you don't finish. Alondra, don't quit. Don't quit. Don't quit. You just finish the rest of it. Throw it in now.
Look, I'm taking out the water.
Oh no! No!
It burns. Someone help me. I'm dying.
Alondra.
Okay. Mel, drink it.
Is your life spicy? Yeah. Oh, that's just amazing. Ow! It still hurts. Ah!
Told you. Should've just eaten the whole thing, gotten the money.